Hello Myntra Beauty fam. I'm Ashwathi Balakrishnan and I'm a huge fan of self-care. Caring for my skin and making sure I'm nourished inside out helps me stay calm and in control. This Women's Day, my pledge remains the same, putting myself first, and you can too. Indulge in the calming magic of self-care with me.
My favorite way to unwind is to pamper myself with a self-care routine. Caring for my skin tops the list. Create a routine that feels good and includes products that you enjoy using. The first and most important step for healthy skin is cleansing. This has been one of my go-to cleansers and it gently yet deeply cleanses the skin. Sandalwood and orange peel infusions leave the skin clarified and fresh and is suitable for all skin types. A face mask is a great way to take a moment for yourself while addressing your specific skincare needs in a focused way. I love using the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Clay Mask from the Body Shop as it helps with my acne. It's specially formulated for acne-prone skin as it absorbs excess sebum without over-drying. Serums are the most effective way to infuse your skin with good-for-you ingredients because they're designed to absorb fast to your skin. Going in with Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum as it helps with hydration and fine lines. The best part, suitable for all skin types. Always remember to pace out your skincare routine, so give it some time for it to absorb to your skin before you move on to the next step. Since dry skin is prone to aging and fine lines, using an eye cream can keep your skin looking youthful and healthy for a long time. This one from Clinique Moisturiser range is just perfect. Next comes Face Moisturiser, which keep your skin soft and hydrated and help strengthen its barrier. The Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream by Estee Lauder helps with multiple signs of aging and contains hyaluronic acid, which is key to keeping skin hydrated and youthful. Where there's a pimple, there's a hand ready to pick it apart. And that's exactly what ends up creating scars and further breakouts. And that's where pimple patches come in. Do check it out if you're struggling with acne. So guys, that was my self-care routine. A daily cleanser, a nighttime mask, or even a bit of moisturizer can save the appearance of your skin and have major effects on your emotional well-being.
Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel.